Hello, 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 dear soul. Kiana, the Cosmic Priestess here. Are you ready for your breakthrough? Are you ready for that opportunity that you have been hoping for, that you have been praying for, that you have been manifesting? Today is day 5 of the Sacred Sound Share, and so that is going to be our focus today, helping you to anchor in the desire of your heart, the manifestation, the opportunity, the open door. It is already here for you. It is already yours. We are simply going to work with frequency and help you to raise your frequency so that you can rise to the level that your manifestation is already on and awaiting you upon. Okay, the desire in and of itself makes it so. We're just here to help support you to get there. We are recording this video during the 12/12 portal, so these energies at this time are very potent. Know that if you have been feeling stagnant, if you have been feeling as though things have not been progressing in the way that you want, know that this is like a slingshot effect. You are being pulled back. So it may feel like things are not progressing. Things may even feel as though they're going backwards, but know and trust that you are getting ready to be pulled back and shot forward into a beautiful, beautiful timeline, a beautiful open door, much opportunity here. Know that this video found you because it is aligned for you in this moment. We set the intention that this message find who it needs within the aligned moment in time. Okay, so know and trust. So today, for day 5 of the Sacred Sound Share, we're going to be focused on an open door ritual. Okay, not going to go too deep into it here, but there is some guidance in the description. If this is something that you would like to incorporate into your manifestation practices, if this is something that you would like to incorporate into a manifestation ritual, really to help amplify the frequency of what it is that you are working on calling in for yourself, to help raise your frequency to rise to meet what it is that you are calling in for yourself, whether it's an opportunity, whether it's money, whether it's growth, whatever it is, whether it's healing, whatever it is that you are manifesting and calling into yourself right now, we're going to help you to raise your frequency so that you can expedite this process of manifestation, okay? Now, we do suggest that you use this sound for about 3 days. You can use it for longer, however you feel called, right? Whatever way it feels aligned for you, but know and trust, okay? Again, if you would like to do this process of ritual, all the information is down in the description. You can read it there. At this time, we're just going to clear this space and ask that you allow yourself to anchor, to ground into where you are right now, into your body. Okay, let us come into the body at this time. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. When I channel sacred sounds, I'm channeling frequency. I'm channeling a healing frequency to help support you in whatever way it is that you need and desire. I channel Reiki along with this to help to hold the space for you, okay? So just allow yourself to be open to receive in this moment. Place a hand over your heart space at this time. And just visualize beautiful green light expanding, expanding, expanding from your heart space and out, enveloping the entirety of your being. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. We welcome you at this time, whatever it is that you are trying to manifest, whatever it is that you are trying to create, whatever it is that you are calling in for yourself, for your family, I'm hearing. Whatever it is that you are calling in, I want you to visualize it at this time. I want you to allow yourself to be in it. Use your imagination at this time to really anchor into what that reality would feel like, what that reality will feel like when you are living it in your present moment. I want you to visualize it, feel it, what emotion, what does it look like, what's going on. And as you visualize it, just allow yourself to receive this sacred sound. Imagina erosimiao erosunu iraro imagina eoma inahima eoma imagina eoma hiao. Deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. How does that feel in the body? Feel free to comment below your experience because I always love to hear it. I always love to hear from you how it felt. Because the frequency is uniquely yours as you receive it. So if this resonated with you, feel free to use it for a few days at least. We recommend right before bed, right before you go to sleep, do this for about 3 days, or you can incorporate it into your already established manifestation rituals while you're writing your manifestations. Listen to it as you're writing down your manifestations. There's so many ways that you can use this sound. Whatever way you feel called to use it, use it. Do know that the Year's End special is still going on, 50% off select services. If you feel called to work with me one-on-one, beautiful opportunity to do so, y'all. I am sending you so much love overflowing. And until next time, dear one, bye-bye.